Hello, my name is Ishaku Ibrahim and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create a simple mp3 player using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's begin this. You start by creating a div of container and give it a class. Let's name it player. And inside this container we are going to create some elements. First we are going to create this element h2 and give it an ID. Some title, and let's create one more element. This we are going to create a paragraph and give it an ID also. ID, let's see, artist. We are going to create one more element, audio. We are going to give it an ID of audio. And we're going to create this attribute control. And go back. It's perfect. So we're going to create some buttons for control. Button. I'm going to give it an ID of play, and let's use some font awesome. Class. Let's give it FA play. Let's check our work in the browser and see. Wow, this is what we did and it looked perfect. So we are just going to copy this to save time. Copy this line of code and paste it 5 times, and this button is for post. And this button is for stop. And this is for previous. backward, and this is for next. Forward, let's check the browser and see how it look. Wow, we have all the buttons customized. So now let's go to the CSS and see what we have here. So I'm going to start by styling this player. Let's add something professional to this. So let's check what we have here. So we have this. We're going to change this to level 1 heading. Save it and check again. This is what we want. So now we're going to style the body first. Margin 0, padding 0, height, body height 100 VH, vertical height, background color, let's set it to a little bit this is what we want. So H2 text align center. Let's set the font family for the whole work here. Font family, century Gothic. So this is a universal selector. We set it for the whole work. Now let's add the color for the text here. Color say gray. So let's check it. Sorry, it's H1. This is what we have here. So let's style the player. layer width, let's give it a width of 25%, and padding, let's set it to 10 pixel. Border radius, let's set it to 8 pixel. Background image, now images, and background. Background height, background size, cover, set it to cover. Background position, let's set it to center, to center. Let's check what we have here. So now let's position this. Let's position the player. Position absolute. Top. 40%. Left. 50%. So let's check what we are doing. So let's fix it direct to the center of the browser, and let's set the transform, translate, minus 50%, minus 50%. Let's set this to to 30. So we are going to style. Our title and our artist. So here, let's start with the title. Song title. Color. Let's set it to white. The artist. Let's set the color to white also. Font size, let's set it to 18 pixel. Now let's deal with the audio element. width, and give it 100%. Border radius, eight pixel. So let's check what we have here. So it's working perfect. So the buttons, button, margin top, margin top, 20 pixel. Check your work. This is what we have here. Padding, padding, 8 pixel. Letter spacing, 0.5 pixel. Let's check what we have. Border, let's remove the border. None. Let's send this to 7. Let's see. This is what we have. Border radius. Let's give 8 pixel. Background color, black. Opacity, let's set it to 0.8. Color, let's set it to white. Also, let's set it to pointer. You go back to the browser and check your work. So this is what we have here. So now we are done with the HTML. So now we are going to give it some functionalities. So we are going to add JavaScript here. So we are going to use an internal script here. So now we are going to add songs to this very mp3. So now these are the songs. How many songs are we going to add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are going to add 7 songs here. Let's start with this. Let songs. We are going to create an array. Then the title, first song, the title is Bless the Child, Bless the Lord, sorry, Bless the Lord, who sang the song, that is the artist. I don't know the artist, but I'm going to assign this to it. Don Moy. So the file, that is the mp3, I'm going to add this song. So if you check properly, you'll see that all the songs are in a folder, and the name of the folder is music. So we are going to name, mention the folder's name before we write the name of the song. Bless the Lord, bless the Lord .mp3. So now, to save time, we're just going to copy this. So how many songs do we have here? 7 songs. So I'm going to copy this and paste it 7 times. So we now have 7 songs here. So I'm going to change all the titles, the artists, and the music, and the file. Sorry, here the second song there is title Dear Mama by Tupac. Song title Dear Mama. So our third song there is Hello by Adele. Hello, song artist Adele. Hello. Now our third song there is Invincible by Kelly Rowland. Invincible. Kelly Rowland. Make sure everything you do, you create it the way it is in the file folder, so that we won't make any error. So the 5th song there is titled Crazy. Crazy by Tupac. Crazy third song here is Peace God. Peace God by Wyclef. Peace. Fourth song, our seventh song here. Our seventh song here is Running. Running by Tupac and Biggie. Tupac and Biggie. Now we have all our songs in our array, so let's create our no, let's current song assigned to 0, so const how many const, so we have song title here. Let's see, song title, document dot get element by ID. What ID here are we referring to? We are referring to this very ID, this song title. So now song, we're going to write song title here. So const artist, document.getElement by ID. So which ID are we referring to here? We are referring to artist. Sorry. Audio. Let's target this audio dot get element by ID. Which ID are we referring to here? We are referring to this audio. So let's create, let's add the buttons. Const play button, document dot get element by ID, at play, let's create the one for post button, document.get element by ID, post, So let's just copy this one. Let's copy this one. Copy. Paste to save time. Here. Here we are going to use stop button.
I can't believe you let me get married when you made me pinky swear
Stop
that
button.
you were my true love, the one who braids my hair. You moved me into an apartment. You was
Here we are going to create previous. Here we're going to create next. So we are done with our buttons now. So we are going to add an interactive state here. We are going to start with the play button. Play button dot add event listener. Click. We are going to have add a clickable event here. So now if we are going to use an if statement here. If audio is in a post that is in a stop position, if audio is being paused, what will happen? So we want to play it, then we use audio dot play. So here we are going to add a button, a clickable event for the post button. Post button dot add event listener. Clickable event. Here we are going to use an arrow function. So now if the audio is in a playing position, what will happen? Then audio dot post. So we are going to add a clickable button for the stop. Clickable event for the stop button. Stop button dot add event listener. Click. create a arrow function. So now we don't have a JavaScript function for stop, so we are going to use the post function to manipulate it. So we're going to use this if audio dot play, if the audio is in a playing position, then what will happen? We are going to post it, then add a stop function, audio dot post, since we don't have stop function for stop in JavaScript, so I'm going to manipulate it now. We're going to do this audio dot current time, then we set it to 0. That's it. So now we are going for the next and previous button. So here previous button dot add event listener, still on the click, let's use an arrow function here. We're going to say current song minus, we are going to decrement it. If current song is less than 0, then here we are going to say current song assigned to songs. How many songs do we have there? We have 7 songs. Dot length, the length of the songs is 7 minus 1. So now then here we're going to say we're going to create a function here, load song. It will just load the song automatically. So here we are going to add a button, a clickable button for the next button, and event for the next button. We are going to say next button dot add event listener. What kind of event we have here? Click. Then we are going to use an arrow function here. So we're going to say current song plus plus. We are going to increment it. If songs dot length is greater than or equal to current if current song here is greater than or equal, sorry, is greater than or equal to songs dot length. Then we are going to set the song to equal to 0, or song, so we are going to assign the song to 0. Current songs, current song assigned to 0. So now we are done with this. Load songs. So now we are going to create this function, these two functions. So now here we are coming out of here. Let's say function load song. So now audio.src songs current song dot file. Then we are going to insert a text into this, into this element, into this two elements, song title and artist. So we are going to insert some text in these two elements. So now we are coming here to say song title dot text content. Text content songs current songs, current songs dot title. Artist dot text content assigned to songs current song dot artist audio dot play, and we're coming here load songs. Now we are done with our coding. Let's check the browser and see what we have here. So we have it here. So let's play it and see whether it worked. Wow. Let's go to the next song. Let's test all the buttons and see whether they work properly. Post, play.
When I was young,
So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and share. We'll see in our next class.